We were just doing us all along, and you guys are just finding out. Welcome to the club.
K-팝과 K-드라마 등 한류의 영향력이 점점 커져가자 미국의 대표 보도 전문 채널인 CNN에서 한국의 문화와 전통 그리고 유산에 대해 소개하는 다양한 특집 방송을 편성했습니다. 그 중에서도 이번에는 한국의 전통 무술인 태권도와 K-팝 그리고 한국의 전통 가옥인 한옥을 주제로 방송을 촬영했는데요. 그런데 해당 방송에서 뜻밖의 한국 유명 아이돌이 출연하여 큰 화제가 되었다고 합니다. 어떤 내용인지 함께 보시죠. 한국의 아이돌 가수 전소미. 그녀는 걸그룹 아이오아이 센터 출신의 솔로 가수로 음악, 광고, 패션, 화보, 예능 등 다양한 분야에서 활동을 하며 독보적인 매력과 실력으로 많은 팬들의 사랑을 받고 있는 아이돌입니다. 그런 그녀가 최근 CNN에서 촬영한 한국 특집 영상에 등장했다고 하는데요. 그녀는 해당 영상에 출연하여 한국의 문화와 삶 등 다양한 주제를 소개했습니다. 그녀는 주로 본인의 녹음 스튜디오와 과거 태권도 도장에서의 일상에 대해서 이야기를 이어갔습니다. CNN은 전소미와 함께 그녀의 스튜디오와 훈련 장소를 방문하며 한국의 전통이 그녀의 현재 활동에 어떻게 영향을 미치는지 조명했으며 영상은 전소미의 다재다능한 매력을 보여주며 그녀가 단순한 가수가 아닌 다양한 분야에서 활약하는 아티스트임을 강조하기도 했습니다. 영상 함께 보시죠.
This is not her usual stage. Meet Jeon So-min, a 4th degree Taekwondo black belt, and one of South Korea's biggest pop stars. Taekwondo is a Korean martial art form with ancient roots dating back thousands of years. It's South Korea's national sport, the pride of the nation.
Taekwondo is very important to me. It is my everything. It is who I am, and it helped me build my character, and it's all in my work.
Jeon So-mi says she trained for 8 years.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷.
And today, she's showing us her old stomping ground, her dojang, or training hall. Some of her former team featured in her latest music video, mixing K-pop with combat.
It was a perfect match for Taekwondo to be in my music video, because in my music video, we had a lot of dimensions, and that requires a lot of somis, a lot of characters. And I wanted to put this Taekwondo girl who is very just strong and just serious. It was just a perfect match. I would love to introduce Korean culture through my music or through my work.
Her success in and out of the dojang is not lost on her old master.
처음 만났습니다. 그래서 그 친구를
She's a star in Korea now, representing the Korean wave. I'm so proud of her. Jeon So-mi was a bright and energetic student who led by example. She worked harder than anyone else.
It's this hard work and determination that has elevated her to global stardom. Her music videos routinely amass tens of millions of views online. At just 23 years old, she's already spent 10 years in the spotlight, with fans from all over the world following her every move online. Today, we get a special behind-the-scenes treat.
Outsiders are not invited, but especially you guys are today. This is our recording studio. Welcome in, come on in. And this is Vince, my producer, my big brother,
Hello.
the goofy one.
Yeah. What?
It's here where she pushes her limits as an artist.
Let's give it a try.
I was your red balloon tied to you. I always say that every music that I drop is like a part of my diary, because the music that I release is me then. Everything just happens naturally when we're in the studio, just throwing ideas here and there. It's just a very creative space.
Sounds great. You gonna hear that back?
The second part of the first half was like 제일 좋았던 것 같아요.
She's a very talented singer-songwriter where she comes in and she would actually come up with a lot of melodies and lyrics. And she's very hands-on with the process. And the thing about Somi is like her reach goes beyond Korea. And she's completely bilingual.
I enjoy singing both Korean and English. Me having the best of both worlds really helps my career now because I could communicate with the Western fans and also the Korean fans. That became my strongest point in my career.
Her world has always bridged East and West.
I'm from a very small town in Canada, Windsor, Ontario.
She moved to Seoul at a young age with her Korean mother and Dutch-Canadian father. Her close-knit family, including her younger sister, has made a big impact on her career.
I am very proud of my heritage and my identity. Growing up, my dad listened to a lot of pop music, a lot of punk rock. For example, like Cyndi Lauper, U2, and from my mom, of course, K-pop and old K-pop such as 서태지, 아이돌, and 이승철. Like there's a lot. So I think that really still influences me.
Like her idols, Jeon So-mi is now a global household name in her own right, but her heart remains in one place.
I love Seoul. I love the city. What makes Seoul unique is the speed. It's so exciting and thrilling. We have a very good mixture of the city side and the traditional palaces. We still live within the tradition. Everything is still there.
That's why this is where she unwinds, exploring Seoul's most traditional corners.
Have you ever been to these places? No. No?
Today, she's joined by her sister
Cute.
and her dad.
So this is old pumpkin rice cake. I love rice cake. That's a lot.
That's really good.
The Hanok village is amazing. It's very soothing for my soul. It's my little getaway, and there's a lot of Korean traditional drinks. So nice. It seems very out of Seoul, but it's right in the middle of Seoul. You're sitting down in a cafe having a drink, but you're kind of outside. I just love this view and the design of the Hanok.
Jeon So-mi is at the forefront of the latest Korean wave, or Hallyu, sweeping across the globe. She says her success comes from her heritage, drawing from its culture, food, of course, martial arts, all of which she celebrates with pride. And she's not surprised why the rest of the world is now obsessed with all things Korea too.
We were just doing us all along, and you guys are just finding out. Welcome to the club.
이번 영상은 여기까지입니다. 구독과 좋아요, 알람 설정 부탁드립니다. 앞으로 더 좋은 영상으로 찾아뵙도록 하겠습니다. 감사합니다.